All right, here we want to work on this problem, which is building drawing, and this is actually a WAEC past question. Let's look at the instruction so that we can know what we are to do. As you can see on the screen, figure 2 shows the sketch plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow. Study the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. So this is the plan of a 3-bedroom bungalow that we are to work on. But before we can do anything here, we have to study the specifications as said by the instruction. So we turn to the next page to look at the specifications. Now, we have the specifications, and we have that all dimensions are given in millimeters. All dimensions are given in millimeters. The first item on the specifications is the foundation. As you can see, we have 675 and 225 concrete strip foundation on 15 blinding at 100 below ground level. The second item is floor. 200 hardcore, 150 concrete slab, 225 terrazzo floor finish. Floor level is 450 higher than ground level. Height of floor to ceiling 3,100. Steps: riser 150, tread 220. Walls: all walls 225 with 12 ceramic tiles wall finish. Doors: all doors glazed, 3 panel in 225 by 50 timber frame. That's a good single door, 2,100 by 900 by 38, and double door 2,100 by 1,800 by 38. Before I move on, for the doors, 2,100 stands for the height of the door, 900 is for the width of the door, while 38 is for the thickness of the door. Windows: W 2,100 by 1,200 sliding glazed in aluminum frame. Then W1 900 by 600 top on casement window glazed in aluminum frame. So in this case, 2,100 represent the height of the window, and 1,200 represent the wideness or the width of the window. So in the case of W1, 900 is for the height and 600 is for the width. Then lintel: 225 by 225 reinforced concrete at 2,100 above floor level. Beam: we have two beams. And we have here that 225 by 225 reinforced concrete at 2,350 above floor level. Then for the roof, the pitch angle is 35 degrees. rafter is 100 by 50, police is 150 by 50, strut 100 by 50, wall plate 100 by 75, and 50 by 50 ceiling noggins at 600 centers center to center, 330 by 185 ridge cap, 28 facial board, 18 soffit board, 900 eaves projection. So for the plan, we are not using all these specifications given. So I'm going to mention the specifications that we'll be using for the construction of the plan. So for the construction of the plan, we are making use, depending on the structure of the plan. It depends on the structure of the plan. So you may need to make use of what I'm going to mention, or you may need to use less than that. It depends on how the plan is structured. So just take note of that. Now, so in this case, we are making use of walls. As we are told, all walls 225 with 12 ceramic tiles wall finish. Then in the plan, we have the steps. So we are making use of the tread in the plan. It's only the tread that we are using in the plan. The riser is for the front elevation and also the sectional view. So take note of that. We're also making use of the doors. We are making use of the windows. And we are making use of the beams. We are making use of the beams. So very, very important. So those things that I mentioned are what we are going to use here in the plan. Okay, so this is the plan as I've shown you, and what I've done here is that I have drawn the plan, not completely but partially, in the sense that I drew the external walls. I drew the external walls and I've left the space or the spaces for the doors, and that of the window will be brought in while we are working on the plan. Now, this is what I'm saying, so you can see it. So this is the plan. So all these walls are external parts of the walls. They are all external parts of the wall. So we need to put the internal part of the wall so that we can get the thickness of the walls. So here we have the steps. I've constructed the steps already using the tread value given here. The tread is 220. So 220 by 100 will give us 2.20. So why did I use 100? Let me turn to the next page. So here, as we are given here, we have the questions here. Question A says that draw to a scale of 1:100 the floor plan and also the front elevation. While question B, draw to a scale of 1:50 the sectional view of JJ. So that is not going to be done in this video. We are only working on the plan here. So the video is going to be divided into 3 parts. So we are working on part 1 now, which is on the building plan. So the scale that we are to use for the construction of the plan is 1:100. It means that every dimension that we are given in the specifications for the plan, we have to divide each one of them by 100. So, and that's why I said the tread is 220 and I've divided it by 100 and I got 2.2. So I've used that to construct the plan of the steps here. So now let's go for the construction of the plan to make it a complete solid plan. So the walls, as we are told, are 225 with 12 ceramic tiles wall finish. So for the wall finish, 12 inside and 12 outside, that will give us 24. And 24 plus 225 will give us 249. So 249 by 100 will give us 2.49. So I usually make use, approximate it to 2.5 or 2.5 or 3 millimeters. So here I'm going to use 3 millimeters. So what you just need to do is that, So all these walls are external walls. So come to this point and take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters here. And then, so you take a measurement of 3 millimeters here. 3 millimeters. And then, so we come here, you take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So here, okay. So here I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So here also I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters. Okay. Then, so here I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So as I've said before, in the previous videos that I've done on the building plan, so you can take it to the right or to the left, but for these ones you cannot take it out of this place. So you can only take it inside, not outside, because these are external walls. Most especially these ones, they are external part of the wall, so you can't take it outside, so you can only take it inward. But for these ones you can take it to the right or to the left. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So okay, so for this I will take it to the right. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do here, okay, I still need to take this. So this video is going to take time, so that's why WAEC usually give 2 hours for this part. 2 hours. You have to spend 2 hours on this if it's WAEC question. So let's now assume that as I'm doing this, I'm explaining, so it's going to take more time. So we need to be patient. Okay. So I'm not going to tick it yet, but when I'm done, I'll make it tick. Okay. I also have, this is a wall. What I have here is also a wall. So I need to bring out the door. So, all right, this is 9 millimeters. Okay, then I will take a measurement of 3 millimeters inward here. So this is 3 millimeters. And then, so we have a wall here. Okay, and then, so for this one, so I want to take it to this side. So 3 millimeters. So there is it. So I will take it here. Okay, so not all, I'm not done with all, so I need to draw the horizontal ones. All these ones that I've drawn, they are all vertical ones. Okay, still need to So this is 3 millimeters. Okay, and I will draw. And okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I believe you may not be able to see it clearly, but I'll bring it out. So I'm going to pause the video and I will use the other pencil so to bring out the visible part of the plan. So then I'll come back and we do that of the doors and windows together. So I'll pause the video now. All right, so this is the plan and I've made it a solid plan here. So the next thing that you want to do is to put the doors. So I will put 1 or 2 doors, then I will pause the video, I'll do the rest and come back to put the windows. So that's how we are going to do it. So let me put 1 or 2 doors. So let me take this. Now for this door, you have to be very careful with the way you put the doors. So if you look at this, this is the door and we have a door here. So when someone comes into this place, this is actually a bedroom. So when someone is to enter this place, by opening this door, if this door is opened, it should not prevent somebody from entering this place with ease. This is water closet and bath. So by opening this door should not prevent someone going in here. So what do we have to do? So this door has to be open to this side. Look at the way I'm going to do it. So the dimension for this door is 9 millimeters. So we are given 900 as the width of the door. So divide 900 by 100, that will give you 9. So take a measurement of 9 millimeters from here, from this point here. So you take a measurement of 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. Okay, this is 9 millimeters. So draw a line like this. So I believe you can see the line. So draw the line. So after drawing the line, then you join this with it. So you draw a line from here and you join it like this. Okay, so this is the door. So by the time we open this door, it will go in this direction. So that whoever is going in here will go in there with his. So the next is I want to put a door here. I want to put a door here. So I want this door. So take a measurement of 9 millimeters from here. So this is 9 millimeters. So draw a line like this. Then this door. Okay, so this is it. So this door will be open to this side. By the time you open it, it will be laid here. You cannot open it outside. So just take note of the way I'm doing it. Maybe I should do everything, but it's going to take time. So that's what. So the same thing that we're going to do the same thing here. So from here, so take 9 millimeters. Let me do everything so that you will see how it should be done. So 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. Then so that's the door. So for coming in here, so take a measurement of 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. Then we join this. So it's very simple. It's very, very simple. So for me, whenever I'm constructing the door, I usually use that of the straight line. Some people will use hack. So using the compass to do it, there's no problem, but I prefer this. So, and we are going to get the same score. So then, so where do we have we have a door here. We have a door here. So this door should be opened. So by the time we open this door, it shouldn't prevent somebody going in here. This is dining room. So it shouldn't prevent people going in here. What we have here is the beam. So we have the beam here. That's the horizontal beam. So the beam is at the top. So look at your, if you have a dining room, so where you have to what? You have to move up or you have to move there. So because it's an opening, there's an opening. So wherever we have an opening in a building, we usually put a beam or lintel, that of the windows and doors. We put lintel on top of the the space of the hole. So we want to open this door. So I'll take 9 millimeters up. Then I will join this to it with it. Alright, so that is the door in that case. So then we also have a door here. So for this door, so I don't want it to disturb anyone going into this place. So this door, so I will take 9 millimeters, 9 millimeters up. Then alright, so next is we also have a door here. We have a door here, so I need to put something here. Okay, let's take like 2 millimeters in. Then this door, so I want to open this door. So take 9 millimeters. So all these are single doors. All these are single doors. Okay, so by the time I open this door to come to this side, then where do we have door again? So we also have a door here. So we have a door here. Okay, so I want you to see everything. So that's why I do not pause the video. So that you can see everything that I'm doing. So just it will take time, but it's better it takes time and you understand it very well. So that's the purpose of doing this. So for this door now, for this door, so taking 9 millimeters up, then so I'll join this to it. All right, I think we are moving on. So we also have a door here, we have a door here. So for this door, I will be opening this door. I will open it in here where we have what? We have the living room. We have the living room. So we have the living room here. Of course, we have another door here. So let's open it into the living room. Let's open it into the living room. So we take 9 millimeters from here. So 9 millimeters. Then, so I'll join this. Okay. Oh. All right. So we open it into the living room. So by the time we open it, it will lay on this part of the wall. Then here we also have a door. Here we have a door. So here I will take 9 millimeters. I will take 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. Then this door should be open to this side so that we will not prevent people going in here. Here we have double door. So I will put the double door there. Okay. All right, so we're almost done with the doors. Then where do we have? So we have double door here. So we have double door here. So for a double door, we are opening them inside. So let's open them into the living room, because if we open the double doors outside here, for someone coming in, the doors or the door will affect the someone coming in, so through this place. So it's better we open it inward. So here I need to make something for a frame here. Now don't forget that the wideness of the double door is 18 millimeters. So 99 for each of them. 99 for each of them. So I've done that here already. Just sometimes the specifications may be somehow difficult to understand or to follow. So you need to be very careful and work smartly in this case. So though sometimes you'll be told that you should assume dimensions that you are not given, so you'll not be penalized for that. So for what I'm doing here, I don't think I'll be penalized for all that I'm doing here. So for the dimensions that are not given to me. So now, so for the double doors, so we have to create something here, like a frame in between them. Or if I don't put a frame in between them, there's no problem. I think I don't have to put a frame in between them. So what I'll just do is to take from this point here, from this point. So I will take 9 millimeters. That's why I say it is better I show you how to do it. So then from here, join this together with this, and then so join this to it. So what you see here, so we can open this to this side, and this will be open to this side. So that's what I've done here. All right, so we are done with the doors. So the next thing that we are going to do is that of the windows. Okay, there's one door here. There's one door here that we have not done. Okay, so this door, so I'll just take what? This is the passage. Door that goes into the passage. So this is 9. Then I will join. So join this to 8. All right. So we are done with all the doors. So let's look at what we have. For this door that goes into the passage. We have it here. This door goes into the bedroom. We have it. This door goes into the water closet and bath. So we have it here. So we have what? We have a beam here. Here we have a beam. This is it. Then we have what? We have this door that we have here. It's here. This door that's here. It's here. Then here we have what? Here we have a door here. Okay, so we have it here. So this door is here. So this door is here. And then so we have what? We have this door. This door is here. This door is here. Double door, we have them here. So this door that goes into the kitchen, we have it here. So this door that goes into the water closet, we have it here. So all the doors have been rightly positioned. So the next thing we are going to do is to put the windows, but I want to put all these the names for each compartment. I want to put them there. So I'll pause the video, do that, and I will come back again. All right, so the next thing I want to do here is to put the windows. So we need to put the windows. So let's look at it. We have W here, W1, W here, and then here we have W, W1. Then here we have W, and then here we have W1, and here we have W. So we need to put the windows. So let's look at the specifications for the windows. For W, we have the height is 2000, and the wideness is 1200. Here the height is 900, the wideness is 600. So we are using the wideness here. So 1200 by 100, that is 12 for W, and 600 by 100, that is 6 for W1. So let's put the windows. Okay, try as much as possible to centralize the windows. So try as much as possible to centralize. So I'm going to take a measurement of 12 mm here. So what I mean by centralizing the window is just look at it. So the middle. So I think with what I see here, I'll be taking 6 from here. This is the center. So I'll take 6 mm to the left, to the right, to the left, and also 6 mm to the left. So I have this. So let me do one. I'll do one W and one W1. So just try as much as possible to centralize the window. So that's what you need to do. Take note of. So after doing this, so just come here. So draw a line like this, and then draw another line here. Okay, so this is how the window will look. So I've done one, so I will do the rest later, and I will pause the video. I will do the rest, so we'll come back and look at it. So we have one W1, so let me do this one. So that is 6 mm. So just take notes. Try to get the middle of the distance from here to here. So you take 3 mm. So 3 mm to this side is 3 mm, and also 3 mm to this side. Then okay, and here. All right. So that is W1 there. All right. All the windows have been positioned as you can see here. So we are done with the building plan. Don't forget, I said this is the part 1 of this video, which has to do with construction of the building plan. So when you are done, so you need to write floor plan and then scale 1:100 here. So you have not subscribed to this channel, it's very important you subscribe so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. And then share this video with friends who are technical drawing students in your school or your friends in other school. So I really appreciate your attention. Keep on practicing. You can do it, and you can do better than I do. You can know better than I know. I believe that. So God bless you. Thank you.